Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to add signature in Google Doc. Let's start the video. First, open your Chrome browser and now open your Google Doc. Now here you can see an insert option. Click on insert and here you can see e-signature option. But this feature will be unlocked when you buy a premium version of Google Doc. You can see here it is written premium. Just click on the button. E-signature in Doc is a premium feature. You can continue to create an agreement, but a Google Workspace plan is required to send the e-signature request. You have to click on try now. Now click on signature. Now add your signature. This is a way to add signature in Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.